Welcome to my factory flow. Today I will show you how avocados are processed in our factory, step by step.
Only the best quality avocados move forward for processing. Every avocado is carefully sanitized to meet strict food safety standards. Grading ensures consistent avocado quality for every product. Each avocado pit is automatically removed for maximum efficiency. Fresh avocado pulp is extracted while preserving natural flavor and nutrients. Each avocado batch is carefully balanced for taste, freshness, and shelf life.
Homogenization ensures every avocado product has a consistent, creamy texture.
Transcription. Temperature seems stable on batch 3.
Let me check the viscosity readings for that one.
Before packaging, every avocado batch is sampled for strict quality testing. Microbial checks ensure the avocado product is completely safe for consumption. Only approved avocado batches continue to the packaging line.
Each avocado portion is measured accurately to ensure consistent weight and quality.
Continuous monitoring keeps the avocado process running smoothly.
Every avocado product is labeled for full traceability and freshness. Each avocado pallet is secured to protect freshness during storage and delivery. Every avocado product is digitally tracked for accurate inventory and fast distribution.
Every avocado product passes one last inspection before leaving the factory.
From fresh avocados to finished products, every step is engineered for quality.
So this is how avocado process inside factory.
They delivered for about 10 years, but what they don't can then is to release the thing child on yet do the changed match of Thomas Tommy.
Fresh avocado products travel quickly from the factory to markets nationwide.
Within hours, avocado products are ready for customers to enjoy.
So when our budget takes good place and meetings and that's marketing, but the guys walking on the york for everyone treat his wars and they of the muggins.
Here, at the heart of innovation, the journey of the avocado culminates.